Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is Sunday, May the 4th. We have made it to day number 25 in the Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. All right. So we've made it this far, guys. We're almost completed a full 30 days, and we'll be just rocking and rolling, knocking these months out. All right. And if you guys have not been following these videos, we are shooting a 1 year 365 challenge with one offer from Clickbank. Okay, we're not going to promote any other offers for 1 year. We're going to promote one offer, and we're going to see if we can make a full-time income with that offer. Okay. So, if you guys have not been following along, go back to the previous days, go back to day number one, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Now, if you go back to the beginning of this channel, when I started this channel, and see the videos there, you'll see that we've tried different challenges, but they were a little bit shorter, and we did try different offers, and I showed you that those offers do work. You don't have to promote the same offer that I'm promoting. You can promote other offers. And in those previous videos in the beginning of this channel, I showed you that those offers work. Okay, you can make money with different offers as well, not just the offer we're promoting here. Okay, so we were on day number 25 today. It's Sunday. What I'm going to do is show you how to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. I'll show you the results from last night's email. We'll check to see if we got any traffic or any progress or anything like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and head on over here to My Legion Secret. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 make money online leads every single day. Okay, so the leads that are being accumulated onto your list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay, so these are business opportunity leads. All right, so our job as affiliate marketers, what we do is we go out and find offers that are related to making money online. Okay, so what we would do is grab that offer, become an affiliate of a network. You could go to Clickbank, which is probably going to be the most popular. You have Max Bounty. You have Warrior Plus. There's just tons of different offers, networks out there that you can go to. You can sign up, become an affiliate, and you can start using their offers to promote to whatever business that you want. Okay, and for this project we're doing, we're just promoting My Legion Secret System. We're using the My Legion Secret System for the traffic, and we're going to grab an offer, a free offer that we can use, and we're going to send emails out to this traffic. Okay, so just real quick, I've been with My Legion Secret over 3 years now. I totally love the service. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. Now, this traffic is cold traffic, so these people do have to get warmed up to your emails. Okay, you're not just going to be able to come in, send out an email, and then make hundreds of dollars the next day. Okay, so these people, they're real people. But they do have to get warmed up to your emails that are coming to them every single day. Okay, you can send out one email in the system every single day, every 24 hours. You can come back and send out another email. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys what the Miley Gen Secret system is. This is what it's going to look like. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started. $30 a month to keep the service is very inexpensive to keep it. And what you're going to get in return of that $30 a month is you're going to gain 100 to 200 new leads every single day. Okay. Now, what determines you get 100 or 200 is how many accounts that you have. All right. So the more accounts that you have, the more emails that you'll get every day. Okay, so if you have more than one account, then you'll get 200 leads on your first account. Okay, you can stack these accounts. Okay, so if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay, so if you go below this video, click on more now and you go to the join My Legion Secret, you're going to join right here. Okay, this is where you would join. Click there, it'll take you to the page to go ahead and join. Guys, I would recommend you go ahead and getting started today. Okay, so that's it. This like I said, if you get started today, your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out. The emails that we're going to be using are the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay, so don't worry about going in right here and buying any additional emails. Okay, you can come in here and buy these emails for $30 if you want some additional emails, but you really don't have to because we're using the free emails from the vendor. So my leads right here, this is where it's going to show you the leads that are coming in every day. Right now, this is my last account, my 8th account, I believe, and I'm only getting 100 leads per day on this one. But uh, once if I decide to add more accounts later or whatever, this will turn into 200. Okay. But no biggie there, right? So the main place you're going to be hanging out at is going to be the mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. So if you know how to send out an email in Gmail or Bing or Outlook or whatever you're using for email, if you know how to send out those type of emails, you can do this here. Okay, guys, there's a subject line and then there goes the body. You want to click on perfect time and always make sure there's a check mark in that. That way the email goes out at the time where our prospect is looking at their email. Okay. It's just not sitting in their email box. The good thing about this My Lead Gen Secret, they're calculated. They know when these people are looking at emails, and that's when that perfect timing comes into play. So we can send it to them right when they're looking at it. Okay. So what you will want to do is come here, click on select all. Okay. So it's going to take these emails over here and it's going to push them over here to the portal. That way we can load them up. It loads up. That way we can send out one email to 51,000 people. Okay, which is pretty cool. All right. So we're going to send out one email and it's going to go out to all of these people here. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here and where it says subject line. What we're doing is we're using an offer from Clickbank, okay, which is going to be, let's go ahead and go here. It's going to be this offer called live chat jobs. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the marketplace. The only section that you should be promoting is e-business, e-marketing. Okay. That's going to be where the offers will convert the best. We're going to promote this offer called live chat jobs. This is the offer that we're going to promote for the 365 for the full year, guys. So you guys can see what we're doing. Now, the reason why that I'm promoting this offer is because it has a rebill every month. Okay, it has a residual income method that we can get every month, so we can stack $20 rebills every single month. Okay, and the whole idea here, the whole goal, is to get multiple and multiple people signing up for the free trials, getting billed for the $20, and then us getting them getting billed over and over $20 every month. Okay, and if you stack those, just think about it. If you get 100 people, think about it. If you get 100 people that pay $20 a month, you're going to make some money. Okay. So the whole goal is to get multiple people doing that and multiple people signing up and, doing the rebill every month. Okay. So once this person signs up, they sign up for $1 trial, cost them $1 to get started. We don't make anything, but 3 days later, our prospect gets billed for the program. Okay. And we would make the $20. They're going to get billed $27, and we're going to get $20 of that as an affiliate. Okay. So we're going to promote this offer here, guys. Okay. As you can see, a future rebill right here. Okay. This is why we're promoting this offer, because it's pretty powerful. Okay. Once you get it going and once it gets going, you're gonna love it. Trust me. So what we would do is go over here to social sales rep. This is the affiliate page. This is where you're going to get all of your all the information for the offer that we can promote. What I would do, I would recommend let's see, going to the email swipes. Okay, these are the free email swipes that we use that we're going to use to promote the offer. Okay, so I know we sent out, I believe, email number 4 or 5 yesterday, something like that. Let me see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do email 5. Okay, and then what we would do is, I believe it was that one. Let me check here. That's one of these that we sent out yesterday. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's just send out email 6. I'll review and figure out where we were at yesterday. Okay. So let's just take this email. All right. We're going to grab this email and we're going to swipe it. Control C. We'll take that subject line, come back over here to the mailing system. Control V. Okay. So right now it says ready to make up to $30 an hour. What I like to do is I like to use the person's name. Okay. And let's go ahead and just space and then copy and paste that. So that way it says ready to make up $30 an hour, Jermaine, right? With a question mark, right? Makes it more personable. All right. And then we want to come down here to the body and we got perfect timing selected. So we want to make sure we grab the body here and just go ahead and grab this. Okay. Emails looks good. Okay. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. And then we're just going to Control V. Pretty easy. Take out the signature where it says signature, put in your name or management, whichever one you want. And then where it says hey name, we're going to put in the first name. That way we're addressing our prospect by their first name and not their last name or full name. We're just going to address them by their first name, kind of like we know them, right? So we'll just go here where it says hey name. We'll take this out, Control V. So that way, when this email goes out to our prospect, it's going to say like, "Hey Jermaine, hey John, thank you for taking the time to view this message." Yada yada. Okay, so it'll take you through the email, and then what we want to do, where it says "click here," we want to turn this "click here" into an actual clickable link. Okay, so our prospect can click on it, and they can take them to your affiliate page. All right. So let's go ahead and go back here to the email. Now, underneath every email that you send in this for this offer, there's going to be a hop link, which is your own personalized affiliate link. Okay, so you're going to want to take this link. You're going to copy it, and what you're going to do is you're going to have to replace where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. It wants you to put in your personal affiliate ID. Okay, so let's come back over here to the mailing system. Control V. Let's go ahead and copy paste that in, and then we want to take this out and you want to put in your personalized affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in my name. Okay. Put in your affiliate ID so you get the credit, not me. All right. So let's go ahead and click on OK. And boom, there you have it. As you can see, this is a clickable link. Let's go ahead and make this text bigger so it's easier to read for our prospect. All right. So let's go here. And that looks good, guys. So let's go ahead and go here. Look at that. Hey, such and such, thank you for taking the time to read this message. And then whenever they click here, it's going to take them to your personalized affiliate link. Now, there's going to be two tabs at the bottom. I've already sent out my email for today, so you don't see these tabs. But once you send out this email, once you get ready to send this email, there's going to be two tabs. There's going to be one that says send now. There's going to be another one that says preview. Okay, you're going to want to click on preview first. Preview, click on preview. What that's going to do is pull up your email in real time and it's going to show you what it looks like. It's going to let you click on this link. Okay. So you want to click on that link to make sure it works. Okay. That's the thing. You don't want to make sure that something is misspelled or the link is not going to your affiliate link. You want to make sure that it goes to your affiliate link so you get the credit for this email. Okay. Because the last thing you want is matter of fact, look, we have another one that we just missed too. Look. See, it says hit this link. So you want to take that. That's what I mean by proofreading everything. So that way you are getting the credit when this email goes out. Okay. So it's very, very important that you pay close attention to whenever you're sending out these emails so you don't miss anything. Because I've done it before. I've done sent out emails and forgot to put in my links. Okay, it's just a waste of email. All right. So you got to make sure that you're doing that. So now we got two links in here. So click on preview, hit both links, click on both links, make sure they work, make sure it's showing up with your Clickbank affiliate ID in it. So that way you get the credit for the email. Okay. So if someone does buy you get paid. Okay. And that's how you send out an email in the system, guys. That's just exactly how you do it. Now, I don't want to sit up here and guarantee that you're going to make anything with the system because I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts. I don't know how many accounts that you're going to get. I don't know if you're going to go in and send out the emails every day. Okay. I just don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you're going to actually do this. So I cannot guarantee it because I don't know if you're actually going to put in the work. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you put in the work, go back and watch my videos, see the work that I put in from day one, and you will see similar results or even better. Okay. So we've already seen results with this program. We've made sales. We've earned money. Okay. So far. So, and it's starting to look good. Okay. Everything, we're on day number 25 and we're already in profit. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back over here. This is how you send out an email, guys. So that way you know how to do it. We did send out an email last night. So today is the 4th. Today we did get 698 unique hops, over 1,100 hops, okay, and 698 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. These are brand new visitors, okay. We did get an initial order form impression, okay, which is really good. We got someone that go to the checkout page. They decide to buy for whatever reason, or they don't buy for whatever reason, okay. Unfortunately, we didn't get a sale today, and we didn't get any type of free trial sales or anything like that. So that free trial that we did the day before yesterday should be coming in tomorrow. Okay, so be on the lookout tomorrow for tomorrow's video for that to pop in, that free trial. So we did get a free trial yesterday. So that should be coming in tomorrow, I believe. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. All right. So, and then also we're going to be looking for just another initial sale. The whole idea here, guys, is to send out these emails and build these emails up to we're getting sales every single day. Okay, we're getting a trial sale every single day. Okay, so that way someone is always signing up, someone is always getting billed for the program, and we're in profit. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys this video. I'm not going to take too much more of your time. I wanted to show you how to send out an email in the MyLegion secret system, which I did. I did leave a link below the video for you guys to get started if you're willing to, if you want to get started and start earning income. I mean, if you're someone looking for extra income, maybe to pay a light bill, maybe to, help with rent, make a car payment or something like that. This type of income, the extra income is going to be useful for you. Okay. So I just showed you how to send out an email in the system. I showed you the results from the email from yesterday. Okay. We got some traffic. We got some order form impressions. We didn't get any sales. Okay. But I think we're going to have a big week. Okay. I think we're going to get more sales, and we're going to get more free trial sales, okay, in the future for this week. So I'm gonna end this video on that note, guys. And I'm gonna see you guys back here tomorrow for Monday at the same time, same place. All right, guys, peace.